Hello everyone! Today's ganap pala, pinabayad namin si Eva sa kanyang pinamili. Kaya, tingnan na lang natin kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari. Before nyo malaman kung bakit namin pinabayad, balik muna tayo sa preparation. Kailangan may entrance. Kaya, dito, pagiling-giling na yung kasama ko kasi excited nang lumabas. At ako naman, wala pa sa mood, paupo-upo muna, tapos yung isa, super excited na siya. Kinuha na niya yung jacket ng kanyang daddy para makaalis na daw kami.
Busy all day.
What's that? Ready to go? And you're preparing daddy's jacket?
Yes. I'm a very good girl about this.
Yeah, because she wanna go now. Before pala kami umalis, nakausap kami ni Mr. na pagkasyahin mo na lang namin yung 40 pound pambili sa mga gamit ni baby. Kaya yun na, hindi na kami nag-withdraw. Tapos yung 5 pound, pang bread and milk naman yun kasi may vegetables and fruits pa naman kami sa bahay. So, hindi na namin yung dagdagan. Yun lang yung kailangan.
Too many flowers.
Too many flowers. Yes, there's the yellow one. Yeah, there is actually a few of them here.
No, they are.
Yeah.
Hey. Fucking weeds.
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 This yellow one?
They're handle, what we call it. Fucking look at
This
it.
is blowing.
Blowing on your fucking shoulder.
These like two.
Come on. I want to get there. It's down there. Come on, I want to get there.
Dali na lang kay. Gusto na si daddy magto. Naglupad na, nanglupad.
No.
Hali. Asa ba nak? Dano sa kay kanak? Inap na. Kaya ito na ta. Okay, mga bulak diri.
You're going to be ready for sports day, aren't you? Fucking hell. Watch yourself.
Yeah, exercise.
Hey, you're ready for sports day?
Watch out, Daddy.
Look.
There you go. Stop.
You know what I mean? How come they got a big one like that, right,
Yeah.
in the fucking car park of the houses, but they can't put it in our car park?
Ginilingaw ang isa. Nagsige na lang yung pamanit.
Come on. Hold it, yeah. Hold it, the car.
Yeah, just wait, love.
Wait.
Let's
Wait.
go. Let's go. Hurry up, Daddy, could see you were late. Pag makapasok na talaga dito sa Tesco, yun, hindi mo na siya makikita kasi nauna na Buti na lang pagdating sa entrance, hinintay ka na niya. Ayan, siya na yung nagdala. Paano pala kami? Paakyat kami dito sa may second floor ng Tesco kasi pupunta kami dun sa may damit. Damit na pang kids or pang, they're also mixed up here. Like big boys, big girls, and anything. Kaya dito nauna na naman siya kasi excited na bumili. Kaso nga, 40 pound lang yung ikakasya namin for the baby. Hindi na namin siya isasali kasi marami naman siyang mga clothes. Kaya start na yung nagsiselos na siya dito. Kasi nakikita niya na mas pinapriority muna namin yung baby kaysa sa kanya ngayon kasi kailangan na namin na bumili namin.
This is too much. And then she go down.
It's so much because she didn't have one. Can you just
You got there.
But you got one, not two.
See, you got there, darling.
It's got one, not two.
nagselos akong kauban?
Jealous.
Can eat the vegetables
What?
too. Go home.
Kasi parat gitay po
Mommy,
ba
go home. Mommy, I can go home and eat the vegetable and I eat this lollipop in.
Kaya pagdating dito sa cashier, sinaparit na lang namin yung sa kanya kasi kinakalkulate na ni Mr. yung magkano yung babayarin niya. Binalik na nga namin yung ibang clothes ng baby kasi parang nanobra na ata kami. May dalang pera kasi ito si Ava kasi binibigyan ito ng daddy niya at sinisave niya. At yung pera na dala niya, hiniram muna ng daddy niya.
Yeah.
This baby's gone.
Right, wrong. Chicken club sandwich.
What?
Chicken club. Chicken.
No.
I don't know what
I want
Chicken
popcorn.
bacon.
What is popcorn? And share from my mommy.
Yeah, we can have to share with that.
Yes.
Chicken and sweet corn.
Yeah. Mommy could name
You
it.
want chicken and sweet corn?
You can eat it.
And yeah, and
Can
me.
you?
Yeah, I eat it. That's why I had to share.
No.
This in
Get
man.
up here.
African share, but that's you, my mom, and this my daughter.
Yeah.